Google Smart Chips allow you to insert and customize information in documents in a smarter way. To create a smart chip, you just need to write add, and from the menu that opens up, you can choose people, blogs, file, events, and more. So what can you do using Google Smart Chips? You can easily write down meeting notes with all the necessary details, and then you can create an email draft right in your document and preview it on Gmail with a single click. You can mention people, but remember, when you mention someone, they don't automatically get access to the document, so you need to share it with them beforehand. You can add a date, create drop-downs for different needs, and add events. But remember, the best part is that there are actually links that's gonna help the user to book a meeting with you or go to Google Calendar to see all the details of your events. To narrow your options, you can enter letters, numbers, or symbols and select the item you want from the pop-up list. So I hope you find these little tricks helpful and follow Pop-Up Smart for more.